How to update the Microsoft Copilot application on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you on Microsoft Copilot and wondering if you are using the latest version? If yes, then follow along. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. The most recommended is Wi-Fi over here, or you may also go ahead and connect with your mobile data if you're using a smartphone. Now, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Copilot and search. Look for the Copilot application from Microsoft Corporation, this one over here, which should already be installed on your device. Now check if there is an update button available in this page. Instead of open, you might see an update button. If you see it, tap on it to download the latest version. If you don't see the update button, if you only see the open button, then you are already using the latest version for your device. Once the update is complete, you can tap on open and start using the latest version of Microsoft Copilot with all the newest improvements. If you don't want to update apps manually in the future, from the Microsoft Copilot app info, go to the top right corner and tap the three dots and make sure that you've checked this enable auto update button. So once you do that, your app will automatically update and you'll be able to enjoy the latest update whenever it arrives. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.